I hope you are with your pen and your pencil. These are words beginning with letter B. Letter B. And these are some of the sounds that we found difficult to pronounce. Number one, we have baby. Everybody say baby. Number two, we have banana. Everybody banana. And number three, we are going to be treating brother. Everybody say brother. So number one, you don't say baby. Don't say baby. Can you say baby? Baby. Do not say banana. Say banana. Can you say banana? Banana. Banana, not banana. Then do not say brother. It is not brother. Can you say brother? My brother. My brother. My brother, not your brother. Can you say my brother? So this is baby, banana, brother. These are words of letter B. Somebody repeat after me. Baby, baby. This is the transcription. Baby, banana, brother. Baby, banana, brother. Hope you have mastered it now. Baby, banana, brother. So add your own in the comment section. Thank you very much. I love you.